This is the advanced exploration technique and is the technique that I use to find products that nobody else is able to find on Jungle Scout. So we still use the 5 steps to product research. So within the first step, we used the Jungle Scout web app to find our product, and we found the gold party cups. So within the gold party cups, as you can see, we found what was frequently bought together were these napkins. So we click on the napkins. We use step 2 to step 5 on the napkins. So we make sure that we've got the broadest keyword search, so whether that's a gold napkins or white napkins or decorative napkins, and then we run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension on this. Then we do our analysis, and then we run through the product research checklist. Now, if this product passes all of our criteria, then this is a product that we should be looking at. So we should make sure that we bundle this product with this product. Then we go back again and check this product to see what is being bundled with this one. And then we click on this product to see what's being bundled with this one. And what we can see here is that these keep going back. These two products keep going back and forth. They are selling for $44.98. So make sure you run the Jungle Scout extension and the analysis on this and do the same for this. So you'd find the broadest key term within here. So it would be napkins, soft napkins, or gold napkins, and then you would run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension and make sure that this meets the criteria that we're looking for. And then you bundle them together and sell it on Amazon. You can continue to do exploration by just scrolling down and looking at other products that are being suggested beneath. This is an absolutely brilliant way to find products that nobody else is going to find. But as with all of the techniques, make sure you use all of the 5 steps to product research using the product research checklist right at the end to make sure that we've got the right product.